Different nut types. Hex nut, the workhorse of the nut world. The most common type of nut, the hex nut, is a versatile fastener used in countless applications. Its hexagonal shape provides a secure grip for wrenches and sockets, making it a reliable choice for various assembly tasks. Heavy hex nut, built for strength. For heavy-duty applications requiring increased strength and load-bearing capacity, the heavy hex nut is the ideal solution. Its robust design ensures a secure and durable connection, even under extreme conditions. Nylon insert lock nut, a vibration-resistant solution. The nylon insert lock nut is engineered to prevent loosening due to vibration. The nylon insert creates a friction fit between the nut and bolt threads, ensuring a stable connection in dynamic environments. Jam nut, a locking mechanism. A jam nut is used in conjunction with another nut to provide additional locking force. It is typically tightened against the main nut to prevent loosening, especially in applications where vibration or other factors may cause the nuts to loosen. Nylon insert jam lock nut, the best of both worlds. Combining the features of a jam nut and a nylon insert lock nut, the nylon insert jam lock nut offers enhanced security and vibration resistance. It is a reliable choice for critical applications where a secure connection is paramount. Wing nut, quick and easy fastening. The wing nut is a user-friendly fastener that can be tightened or loosened by hand, eliminating the need for tools. Its distinctive wing shape provides a comfortable grip, making it ideal for quick adjustments and temporary installations. Cap nut, a decorative touch. The cap nut is designed to cover the exposed end of a bolt, providing a finished appearance and protecting the threads from damage. It is often used in decorative applications or where a clean, professional look is desired. Acorn nut, a sleek profile. The acorn nut offers a sleek and streamlined profile, making it a popular choice for ornamental applications. Its low-profile design reduces the risk of snagging or interference with other components. Flange nut, wide load distribution. The flange nut is designed to distribute the load over a wider area, reducing the risk of damage to the underlying material. Its wide flange provides a secure bearing surface, preventing the nut from loosening in high vibration environments. T-nut, a versatile wood fastener. The T-nut is a specialized fastener designed for wood applications. It creates a threaded surface in wood, allowing for the secure attachment of bolts and screws. Its unique shape provides a strong and reliable connection in wooden structures. Square nut, a less common shape. While less common than hex nuts, square nuts are used in specific applications where a square shape is more suitable. They may be used in conjunction with square bolts or in situations where a non-standard shape is required. Prevailing torque lock nut, a self-locking solution. The prevailing torque lock nut is a self-locking nut that resists loosening due to vibration. It features a unique design that creates a frictional force between the nut and bolt threads, ensuring a secure connection. K-lock or cap nut, a reliable locking mechanism. The K-lock or cap nut is a popular locking nut that provides excellent resistance to loosening. Its free-spinning washer creates a reliable locking force, making it a reliable choice for various applications. Coupling nut, connecting threaded rods. The coupling nut is used to connect two threaded rods, allowing for the extension of the length of the threaded assembly. It is commonly used in plumbing, mechanical, and electrical applications. Slotted nut, a secure connection with a cotter pin. The slotted nut is designed to be secured with a cotter pin, providing a reliable locking mechanism. It is commonly used in automotive and other applications where a high degree of security is required. Castle nut, a versatile locking nut. The castle nut is a versatile locking nut that can be secured with a cotter pin inserted through slots in the nut. It is commonly used in applications where a secure connection is critical, such as in machinery and automotive components.